in a hand.
I know, I got one.
Me and over here.
I got a bum finger. These here?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're up here on the wall. Three on that side and two on my favorite euphorbia. Euphorbia martini I read, Martin.
Where is that?
Isn't it gorgeous? Look at those beautiful red tips. We opened up this, it used to be a rectangle patio, and we opened up to add this curve, which the homeowner loves, and she gets a lot more sunlight later. A lot more sunlight time. So she's gonna put a little round table right here, which will be fun. Yeah, and then over here, we are putting in a gravel pit, stone fire pit. You know, with big Adirondack chairs, and we're making a room for the hot tub over here with an arbor overhang. I love sword ferns. I love this mask.
You did good.
It's so tight.
Yeah.
It's all there. You know, you don't feel like you're falling or anything.
Yeah, I like mine too. Sometimes I feel like the inner layer kind of sucks in sometimes, but
Oh yeah.
I don't mind it. It's
Oh
kind of
no.
like